Hello, everyone, and welcome to another backtesting session with Ben and Roman for the Smart Money Concept swing trading strategy. How's everyone doing on the chat? Let us know if you're here. Let us know if you've been having any success with trading or if you have done any backtest yourself. And of course, let's give a warm welcome to Roman. How you doing, Roman?
Hello, I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good as well. I'm excited for today's backtesting session. Last week was pretty good.
Yeah, let's see what we can do this week.
Let's see what we can do. Okay. Something just glitched, but here we are. Right. Which market do you want me to do?
It was say USDT.
Say. So
Yeah.
on Binance Futures.
Yeah. August 1st, 2025.
August 1st, 2025. Oh, that's relatively recent.
Yeah, like we've done a couple of backtests already from this date, but let's see if we can handle this one.
Yeah. No, let's do that one. Yep. All right, so we've got our backtesting session set up. Let's do 10x leverage because why not? Okay, let's start by the normal analysis. So we start on the monthly. All right. How old is this market? It's 2023. Is this one of those meme coins again? What is
No.
It? No. Okay. I was scared having me backtest a meme coin. Okay. So what I see here is that we just cleared this monthly fair value gap. And there looks like a rejection of it. So that's interesting. Terms of targets, probably somewhere here and there. It took out this fair value gap, almost, and it had a strong reaction of that. Yeah, went through this fair value gap, then touched another fair value gap. It didn't really stop for this one. Yeah. All right. In terms of monthly target, yeah, for completeness sake, we could probably use that one. Yeah. Did I miss anything?
I think so. It looks pretty good. Yeah, the only thing is that I think your application is not in full screen mode. I'm not sure if that's how you wanted it to be.
Oh, it doesn't really matter. We can toggle full screen. But
okay.
Not that that's any better, but
yeah.
All right. Also, it's still pretty quiet on the comments. Let us know if you're there. Just say hello. Doesn't hurt. Let's go to the weekly. So in case you're wondering, what are you doing? We're drawing lines on the chart based off the smart money concept strategy. If you don't know what this strategy is about, it's part of a series that we've done that you could check out on the AllTrade Academy page. And if Roman is so helpful, he can maybe put on the banner.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. I think your screen disappeared.
There we go. We're back. StreamYard is glitchy a bit today. Oh well. We're back on the screen. So I see this fair value gap was entered. So high time frame, bullish fair value gap. Actually, it was the weekly. We see the reaction of it. And then, yeah, obviously this one was fulfilled. Nothing too worried about. Yeah, so I would assume something like Where are you? Going in here and then maybe take out this bit or even go there.
I mean, yeah, it could be like this. I'm not sure if we will reach these targets.
No, but it's the next
that
target.
fast, but yeah.
It's the next target on the weekly, so we'll see. Because any other target yet would be going in here, but maybe off this liquidity, because this is a nice little target here.
Yeah, so what I wanted to mention is that on these higher time frames like this one, so it's weekly time frame, and you have these tests of the weekly fair value gap, then this week can be treated as rejection block. Because yeah, there was some reaction. So yeah, it can be like you can view this as the point of interest.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to daily because I think I got it all. Okay, we have daily fair value gap here. Okay. Got some nice targets here as well. Got some compression here. Don't know if
yeah.
Do we have like that. This move was pretty balanced, so that's good. Yeah, so we could.
Yeah, so it's not too much pressure from the selling side from sellers, so that's pretty good.
Yeah. So the other option is that it doesn't go that far and it goes there.
Yeah, it makes sense. So yeah, also here, upon testing weekly fair value gap, you can see that there is daily shift.
Yep.
Yeah, so like probably fulfilling this fair value gap can be an option for the movement. Or if you look at the higher time frame, so if daily was your entry time frame, this shift could be an entry point somewhere here, potentially.
Yep. Yeah, because it hasn't reached, like the shift on the daily was not touched again yet. So there is a probability that it will get there and then go up. Okay. That's interesting to know. Daily, well, then we've already got to the 4 hour. We're getting quicker at these now. Right. Oh, we can get even faster by just enabling that one. That always helps. Smart money indicator by AllTradey. If you haven't had it yet, now's the time to get it because it's a very handy tool, especially if you're trading on well, any time frame really. You can just set the settings and have it updated for you in real time. So lots of fair value gaps here. That's a tricky one.
Yeah, I mean, when I have these, I prefer to just select them all as one.
Yeah, so we just
Yeah.
use the daily one really.
Basically, yeah, you have the daily one.
But anywhere here basically can, well, it already dipped in here, but we didn't have, well, we might have a shift actually. We can go to 50 minutes and see if there was an entry on, it looks like there was, like this one. So shift would be here. So entry would be here. So stop loss would be, oh wait, yeah, no, you missed. No, yeah. Yeah, so this would be the stop loss. Then you get a new shift here. So you'll be in. And then you get, oh, almost stop loss. Okay. So, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if you go back to 4 hour,
Yeah.
to me, this is still like the bullish structure on 4 hour.
Is it? From where? From here and here?
Well, here you can say there was the change of character.
Yeah.
So like on daily, I would say this is bullish, but on 4 hour, it seems like it's bearish.
Yeah. On 4 hours, bearish. That's the indicator says so as well, because it shows you the premium discount zone here, meaning it's set up for shorts. So yeah, maybe this fair value gap, and then going into these levels, that could be a thing. Let's just remove these because they're just gonna be in the way. We have the general.
Yeah, so there's like no signs of reversal so far on 4 hour. So yeah, I think you can expect a further move down.
Yeah. So so hopefully we can get into a 4 hour fair value gap there or there.
Yeah, like another option. So since you have the daily fair value gap here, maybe you can find a shift on 1 hour, like as an alternative combination of time frames.
Yeah, okay, we can set it to time. We can set it to 1 hour and see what happens, because we can see the 4 hour fair value gap anyway. So on the 1 hour, our shift would be here. But on the 4 hour, we get our fair value gap right here. So which candle did actually cause that one? There. Okay. So anything after that. So hourly, there might be a new shift. And again, so shift would be here. So technically, that's a daily shift, or the hourly shift for the daily entry. Or would you consider this more the shift?
It's hard to say.
Yeah, because it's the same. The lowest candle is the same as the. I would conservatively go with this one, but that's also maybe then it calls for a hedge.
You can try.
Yeah, let's see, because
if there is enough room for that.
Because we got the 4 hour with the 15-minute shift here. So there. So that's the shorting part here. That's a long. So let's look at the 4 hour, and we've got a target there. But ideally you want to go there, which is 280. I think on the 4 hour, because it's it already did that, but because there was this fair value gap, but there's also this fair value gap.
Yeah, what I recently noticed is that like when you have two of these, this last one is not been hit most of the time.
Okay, yeah. So then this one's already taken out. But the closest, this is the shift. So this is, yeah. I mean, only if you get it like this, it would be okay.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes we can do this. So
yeah. This area is anywhere you can buy, really, right? As long as it doesn't go above this one, it's fine.
Yeah, another option could be using Fibonacci retracement from top to bottom,
right? So
and then finding the middle point.
Yeah, that's.
But yeah, it doesn't work all of the time. So yeah, I mean, this fair value gap looks good.
Yep, I've just set it to that one now.
Yeah, let's see if it works.
And then yeah, we also get the.
Yeah, still a lot of liquidity.
We just missed the trade. Why?
Wow.
Get another 4 hour 15 minutes there. It's painful. By how much? Quite a bit. I should have said it here. Oh well. You win some, you lose some. It was a good run though.
Yeah, it was a good
good analysis.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's hello. Yeah. Oh, this one actually already. Although it's kinda well, we have to wait for the shift actually. Can't just set it, but it's not gonna go for it. So we might still get that fill.
Yeah, maybe you need to switch back to higher time frames and see what's going on.
Oh yeah, because we got that 1 hour. So the 1 hour shift would be here. So there. So that means that one, and let's go to the daily and find ourselves a nice target on the daily. Wow, there's not much on the daily. This would be the first target on daily.
Yeah.
And then 2%. Okay. Let's switch back to 1 hour. Let's go. I mean, in this case, I think I'm going to cancel this one because
I mean, you have the 1 hour shift already on daily.
It doesn't make sense then.
So I think you had the daily fair value gap here on the way. So it might be some resistance right now, but yeah, we need to see how it behaves. Okay. Not too much resistance.
No, but now there is that 4 hour fair value gap.
Yeah, but on daily you have nothing.
Yeah.
So you just cleared the daily fair value gap. That's good.
So this is the new 4 hour fair value gap. So we could actually look for a long then on the 4 hour as well. Yeah. So let's switch back to 15 minutes. There. Yep. So we get some movement. But yeah, so this would be an entry opportunity. Close above this fair value gap. I mean, this might be too nice to to let go. It's 5.
Yeah, let's see.
This is already a 3. Wow, that's very conservative. The actual shift is a 3. I'm gonna do that just to see if we can. Oh, that's a shame. Why did we miss that? Because the close was here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's a shame. Well, actually, maybe we can.
Yeah, like one time you miss it and then you're like, why did we miss it? And the next time you enter it and then you just lose the money. And then you're like, yeah, it was a stupid entry.
Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah. There. That's okay. But it's so far.
Yeah. You have this one on 4 hour.
Yeah, but that's too far.
Yeah, that's too close. Okay.
I mean, in that case, we would have to get our entry. Yeah. Even here. Then it's
and
possible.
If you switch on hourly time frame, what's there? Sometimes, yeah. So I like these fair value gaps. So when you have nothing obvious on 15-minute, then you have these pretty good fair value gaps on 1 hour. So you can use these for entries.
This one or the inverse one?
It's up to you. Like, you can use any of them.
Well, this already gives a 3/8, so this is fine. Ooh. Yep, there we go. And stop loss. Trying so
I
hard.
forgot.
Trying so hard to. Is this a news day or something? 5th of August.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
These candles don't look normal. Why?
Why is that?
I don't know.
I'm activating the
Why are you doing this?
results, and then camera is.
For some
Yeah,
reason,
that's weird.
it just loses it. StreamYard, come on, do better. We've got the 4-hour fair value gap right here.
Oh, can you? So what happened there?
Where?
On 4-hour, can you switch back to 4-hour? Yeah, so you had this fair value gap and kind of went through this one. Was there something? Can you switch to daily?
I think this must have been like some news because
Yes, there's daily fair value gap, right? Yeah, so that's the reaction. Yeah, maybe you just need to keep trading 1 hour time frame. I don't know.
Well, I mean, if you're going for that one, then a shift is here.
Yeah.
So entry would be here. There. Yeah, entry would be there. So we could jump back there. And decide to get our entry there, stop loss there, go back to the daily, 4-hour target, which is there. That's a nice target. Wait, 1 hour, go. So we know this one's going to get filled. And we're just going to stick with the daily 1 hour for now.
Oh, so yeah.
Otherwise,
you had
I get confused.
4-hour fair value
Yeah,
gap.
exactly.
Oh, no, it was.
No, that was a 4-hour fair value gap.
Yeah. Was there an entry? I know.
Here, no. No.
Okay.
No entry. Let's switch to the hourly because in case we do get, I mean, we could switch. If we're gonna do daily, then we might as well just switch to daily.
You can try.
Saves drawing those. Okay. Okay.
I mean, maybe there are still opportunities in 4 hours. So.
now you're thinking like it's too little.
No, I mean, it's just you can be flexible. You can switch between the time frames.
I'm nothing.
When there's nothing
flexible.
on 4-hour, you can use 1 hour.
There is
like
15
daily.
minutes. There. But Jesus, come on! This is what kind of shift is this? What? Yeah, no, there's no entry here.
Yeah. I mean, let's see if daily has anything. Oops.
Oh, yeah, well, there could have been a short.
Is that for like?
There was a 4-hour fair value gap here.
No, I mean, do you see the daily fair value gaps there? Is there anything?
Well, we have to switch to daily. There is here.
Yeah, and the one below that.
Wait, we can also just add a second one. There you go. Saves me drawing them. Oop. Daily. Okay. So switch back to 1 hour. I mean, there is an entry coming, kinda. No. Can't trade that. Like this is way too much space between shift and. I mean, you might get it, you might get in, but like, so technically it would be here and here. Let's see if there's anything, but like, well, that is a nice hedge though. If you block out this one, you still get profit. It would only be really annoying if it hits that one first and then that one. But I do like the hedge. I'm gonna try the hedge. Okay. Because 4 hours is definitely a bit bearish. Just as I say that.
Yeah. Was there an entry on 1 hour?
1 hour? No, because there's no daily fair value gap.
No, there is. Yeah.
Where? This is a 4 hour. This is a 4 hour.
Oh. Daily fair value gap and 1 hour shift.
Oh. Yeah, can't go back there now. It's in the middle of position. Missed it. Yeah, these oh, hello, stop. Oh. Well, at least we knew that.
Some profit.
Went a bit too fast. Yeah, like that. Okay, so let's see. That was 2 positions, right?
Yeah.
How can we be this clumsy today and still end up a 17% profit? How is this even possible? I mean, the entries are good, but yeah, that makes sense.
Pretty good.
Those are the 2 daily ones, right? Yeah, the 4-hour ones are broken. So you want to update the stats? Okay, so now we need to be a little bit wary because
Again, it's broken. I'm not gonna use the stats for now.
Okay. Yeah. Weird.
So you have this. Let's see on higher time frame what happened there. So maybe on daily or weekly.
It just hit this.
Yeah.
Nothing yet. I mean, there could be a reversal, but for that we get, it's still very bullish at daily. So this target is definitely a possibility. This will create another fair value gap probably if we go one further. or not. This will create a fair value gap.
Yeah,
nope.
not so bullish.
So was there any hourly? Yeah, there was actually. So, but we wouldn't have taken it because it's kind of like still a long thing, right? So we're still expecting it to go up.
Yeah, I mean, there is the strategy that, like, no matter what the structure is, when you take out some significant liquidity, you can try to trade in the opposite direction.
Yeah.
But yeah, I wouldn't trade this one. I mean, there was a nice entry, but yeah, it's really hard to take this trade.
It's a 4-hour fair value gap. We can try. I mean, I'm not too keen on the 4 hours on this market, but
yeah, I'm not really sure about the direction right now. So it's really, like, I'm really confused.
yeah. Shift would be here. Yeah, kind of. Nope. We get a new shift. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, the 4-hour here is really like it doesn't care. And that's why you backtest, right? You do this so that you can find the markets that might be of interest for you. So that was a 4-hour fair value gap. But again, no shift. Like shift is here. I mean, what is this? It just goes in the direction and then it turns around and then
yeah, no, it just goes up.
Yeah.
With no shift.
Okay. Well, maybe short. Yeah, so then we need to get this one. Yeah. 4-hour. I mean, this is nice, but it's a terrible target. This is a better target. But is it feasible? Or is it more likely to go that way? I mean, this trend is definitely bullish.
Well, I wouldn't be so sure after this.
Yeah. I mean, you get your 4-hour shift here as well.
Is it the shift?
Well,
it's inverse fair value gap.
Yeah. No, but from this one on. So it's like, well, yeah, it's the structure is here, of course. This one and this one. So it's internal still. Internal swing. Ooh, what to do?
Yeah, well, you can try to check, I don't know, like 12 hours. Because on daily, I think there was just this engulfing candle. I'm not sure if there's anything on 12 hours or...
These candles are ridiculous. Yeah, I mean, this target is okay, but that would mean, yeah, I think it's possible. Okay, I'm going to go for it. And then we spend this long trying to get the right target to see if it works. And then a few candles later. Oh, this is so annoying.
Yeah, I mean, like, technically, this is a pretty good setup.
Yeah.
But yeah, the way it works like this, yeah, I don't like it.
Can you imagine you be in a trade for 18 hours going sideways where where it touches your stop loss like almost throughout the whole 18 hours and you're going to be like, nah, we're done. There you go.
Yeah, and then it reverses.
Yeah, it just sweeps this liquidity and then it goes. Yeah, because it's still possible, right? Because we're still in that 4-hour fair value gap. So technically, no, no, we were good to get out. Yeah.
So yeah, maybe like this liquidity. So there's this thing called inducement. We didn't really discuss that on streams before. So there is this level. So when you have a structure, I need to draw it. So you have something like new structure, and instead of just going like this, it usually need to take out some liquidity before going further down. So like it can be this inducement level. So price will go there and then go down.
Okay.
But yeah, like in general, it's really hard to understand where it's going. Like on 4 hours, there is not too many clues. Like except there is this inverse fair value gap. But yeah, it was some time ago. So yeah, maybe you just need to see the reaction on this level and then make a decision.
Okay, so we get this. We get that
So yeah,
that touch.
like pretty aggressive movement there. So yeah, it's I don't know.
Highest point there. That's the shift. So technically shift is in. I'd say here. That's a nice one. If we can get that, be happy. I don't want to. There we go. That's that done.
I should have closed it before the stop loss.
Yeah, saved us a few pips. Oh, it's gonna actually take out. Oh, no, it did. It already took out this target. I don't know why this target is still here because we can just remove it. Hello. So many on the chart. Doesn't know which one is what. Oh, what's
yeah.
that? Huh?
There's the shift, I guess. I don't know. That's 1 hour, right?
Yeah, but yeah, is that the shift?
What is on 4 hour on higher time frame? I wonder what's that.
I'm
like
so confused.
Here.
Which time frame are we trading on?
Like, nah. I mean, you could say that this is like
Order
an
block.
order block.
Yeah. Okay, so 15 minutes. Yeah, shift would be here on the 15 minutes.
Yeah, looks good. Like it's not that it a pretty obvious position, but at least something to try. Yeah. Oh, okay.
So it hit this target, this fair value gap on the 1 hour. Were we too greedy?
Can you switch on higher time frames? Yes, on 4 hour. I mean, again, you had this. First of all, you had this red engulfing candle. Then you had inverse fair value gap. Then it created the new fair value gap. So far it looks pretty good to me. Like maybe even take out this target.
Maybe even double up. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you find any interest here, okay.
Oh, okay. That's the target hit. And then we get maybe another shorting opportunity.
Yeah, that will be perfect.
Because it's gonna. Oh no. Ugh. What are you doing to me? So technically there. And And then, yeah, but this, I mean, this is good targets, but this one would be even better. Because there's nothing here. Like 175. Is this even something? Mm.
Yeah, I mean, this is a pretty good one.
But
it makes sense. So again, as we discussed that inducement, so on higher time frame, this can be this inducement that will move the price up.
I mean, also, I'm gonna go back to them because I like them. But if we do break that, then even this target is inside. All these targets are here, like these and these.
Yeah, maybe you just split the position then.
Yeah. But can we
Let's
find
try.
a better entry? That's the question. Because I do like if we can get a better entry on this one, like somewhere like this is a fair value gap.
Well, maybe you can try this inverse fair value gap. So yeah, like if
there.
you just want to squeeze as much as possible.
Look, that changes a lot.
Well, yeah, I mean, you're just risking missing the entry if it goes your way.
Yeah. Well, we've missed an entry on Sai already, but not this one. Oh, look at that trend line.
And the trend line, yeah.
Look at the reaction of the trend line.
And it's gone.
Oh, we get another option. And that's even better because it's actually going to retest the trend line, and then maybe like if it then bounces off that one, then that's a really good sign.
Man, can you switch on 4 hour?
It did take out this part.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not too worried about this one.
I
mean,
think
yeah,
this
this
is
a
definitely
good.
bearish. Okay, that's a good shift. That's a decent shift. There. Because that target is nice here. Oh, are we going to go for a triple? Nope. We're going to go for a double. Oh, well. Oh, well. Oh, this was a really good setup. I really like that one. And it shows, holy moly, 31% in 20 days. Oh, if only. If only. Wow.
Yeah, that's crazy. Like, I didn't expect that.
No, but it's like what we said, right? Like this trend line, it does help to make that decision. Like, okay, so this we can go again, and yeah, maybe we could have gone more aggressive with these targets, but who knows? We might be able to get in again. There's a little bit of rejection here, which is to be expected around this one day fair value gap. But we've got a lovely 4 hours here. That's a full fill of that one. That's a touch. That's a shift.
It's just like every stream you're breaking your previous records. I wonder, yeah, like, so previous one was like 24 or something.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's good. At least we're doing something that progresses, right? So, and we're not doing the same market over, so it's not like I'm learning the market. I'm just, yeah, I don't know. Dare I say, getting better at it?
Probably.
I did open up an account on that prop firm as well, like you said.
Yeah, and how do you feel?
So far frustrated because I'm in Solana. But it is kind of insane that with a $110 you can actually get a leverage up. You're trading up to what, $100,000 or $200,000 worth of funds with just 110. That's crazy. Like one trade, if I get this trade today, if I was actually able to cash out, I would have made that money.
Yeah,
obviously.
You just need like to pass a couple of challenges first. Jesus, come on. What's that?
That's profit. That's another.
Like, it spent like the whole day moving there, like around take profit.
That's another 4.5% at it. Jesus. Okay, and that concludes the end of this stream. Wow. That's insane.
Yeah, they're just like huge slowing down.
And we're
Like
we're being conservative here. Yeah. What kind of candle is that? 13%.
Yeah, that's probably the news. There was the news. Yeah, in August.
Was there an entry based off of this order block? No, this one shifts here. Okay, so we can enter here. That thing ain't coming back. Wow, look at that. What a reaction. Okay, so hello, Joso. If you're wondering, we're at 35% today. Not bad for an hour of backtesting. Entering a 15 or 4-hour fair value gap. However, it's a very long one. And yeah, the half is here.
Yeah, I'm not too sure about this one. So after these crazy moves that are based on the news, I prefer just to skip trading for at least a day. Like sometimes you can get a nice continuation trade like this, but
I think technically it would have already been there. Like,
yeah, I mean, there's no shift.
Yeah, there is. That's the shift.
No, I mean, it didn't sweep here.
Is that not the low? Is this not the lowest point? Is this not the lowest point? What is the lowest point? This is 3123. It's the same. It's the same. So no. I mean, a very tight squeeze. A very tight one. Could have been there.
Yeah, and like, would you risk $100 on this trade on prop account?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, that's the problem when you start actually trading.
Let's switch back to 4 hours because, no, to 1 hour because we might see like that happening. The daily fair value gap being hit. But this is actually the decent level for the 4 hour. But again, well, I suppose here. So
I don't know.
Yeah, here.
Well, you can try that.
Yeah, I mean, we're up so much. Well, what's there to lose?
Well, yeah, that's with this shift.
I mean, Take your pick. 4 hour fair value gap. Sure. Let's do it. There you go. Up. Quick 400 bucks. Why not? 39.5. I mean, how long is this? 7 minutes. Can we talk for 7 minutes? Wow. What a trade. I mean, this is clearly bullish on the 4 hour still. Like this was just a pullback. Daily. So it had this full fill of the daily. So here, then we have our daily
1 hour,
shift.
yeah. Not the daily.
1 hour shift, sorry. Yeah, that's here as well. This is the 1 hour shift.
Mm-hmm.
Can we see this target? Oh, come on. That's way too greedy. Yeah, that's better. 2%. 1 hour. What do you think? I mean, we could even go a little bit lower than that.
I mean, it might work. Yeah, I'm just. Yeah, you can try this one.
Yeah. I'm gonna.
It's just. I'm really skeptical about the news events like this.
Yeah. No, I see that.
But again, like you're backtesting, so that's fine.
Yeah. Exactly. So that was a mistake.
But yeah, so what usually happens when you have these huge bumps that are based on the news? So I think this was something, I forgot, was that the inflation or something?
Oh,
because yeah, I was trading euro during these news, and I remember what happened. Like in a few minutes, it went up like crazy. So yeah, what usually happens is then it goes up and then it goes down to the same level.
So what do we get here? We get this huge 4 hour fair value gap. This one is just being swept. So the entry would be here on 4 hour. Can we get a setup? That's the question. Yeah. Yeah, we can. Well, we're a little bit late to this party, but we'll get in anyway. Whoa, only to get stopped out. See, we should have ended it at the high. 1 hour.
So what's that on daily? Was that a fair value gap?
No, the daily is done. This is the fair value. It's creating another fair value
gap.
gap.
Daily is not. No, I mean, was that 4 hour? Or what was that?
To cut this one. Where did we go wrong? We missed this one here. This shift entry. That's a bugger. No, I would have targeted this one, but it's not enough. Yeah. Okay. So it needs to go way further. But 4 hour. Yeah, we're getting into that. Oh, I would consider this a bit bearish, actually. Ugh. What are you doing? Why not? Like, if you could just pop above it just one more time. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Good listening. Very well. There we are. Yeah. Let's have it. Go. I love it when the target is just... I love it when the target is in full display. Oh. Why?
Yeah, it's funny when that happens, when you're like a couple of dollars away from passing the challenge on prop account.
Yeah, and then you do this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it happened to me a couple of times.
And again, you can just like, oh.
So what's there on the 4-hour time frame?
Yeah, it just swept this liquidity, and then you had the reaction. But I'm still thinking like the general idea is still that it's gonna hit something like that and then take this target.
Yeah.
Or at least,
I mean, we can just play
this
like
one.
fast forward and see if it works.
Oh, come on. These are not nice shifts. I mean, the shift is even outside of the screen now because it's there. Oh, okay. That significantly bumped it, but well, significantly, not really. No. Nope. If notification trades are not working, then it's best to contact support at support.alltrady.com. Nice. This is this is a daily one, fair value gap. If it's a daily, then we need to look on the hourly, and then the shift is there. Okay. There. So this target is already at 3. So I'm going to take that. Okay. 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 No. No. Oh. And,
Yeah, it was a pretty good setup.
yeah, we might go again because we can. Although entry is now significantly worse. I mean, it's here. So I would enter, yeah, I would enter exactly at the same level. Just try that one again. Yeah. Ah,
and the next one will definitely be a profit.
yeah, shift is here.
Yeah, shift is too far.
Yeah,
but yeah, maybe if you can enter like somewhere like this.
3-time lucky? Could we say that? I mean, then we have to target this one. Oof. Oh, no. No. We have this one. We can do this one. Oh, no, we cannot. same level, then we can do it. Okay, let's do it. 3-time lucky. Let's go. Okay.
And it's September already.
Oh, painful, painful.
Yeah, that's not good.
Oh, this is a terrible thing. Let's switch to 4 hours. Oh, we're so far away.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay,
Nice.
I'm calling it. Well, it's not 35% anymore, I don't think. Just, yeah, okay, prop firm would have been closed. We just lost 10% of it.
Yeah,
well.
they would be happy about that.
No, but I'm happy with 25% in over a month and a week. Yeah. And I mean, the last one's like, ooh, that's a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 7? 6.
And
Yeah.
why is that like, why is it
That's double.
2.5?
That's double.
No, but why is that like 200 but 250? Is it based like,
Fees?
do you base the risk on your, like on this value?
Yeah.
Or on 10K?
Yeah. No, on this one. Yeah. Yeah, it's on currency.
Oh,
mode.
yeah, I see.
So the risk increases.
I
That's
see.
correct.
Yeah. I decided for myself that I'll, so I set up fixed amount
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
and set it to 10K. And then once every month, I will change this number to the available amount.
Yeah, that might be better actually.
Yeah, I'm not sure how this would affect your positions, but yeah, it's just a different approach. It's not the best one, so I'm not sure which one is the best, but yeah, it's just different.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if you're on a lucky streak, then of course you can do it. But if you're on a losing streak, then you might want to go to the original 10K.
Yeah.
Especially if you're doing prop trading, because then it's still based off the 10K, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's your base. That's what you want to be careful about. All right. Well, yeah, that was it for today. Interesting session. We've did a mixture of daily and 4-hour fair value gap trading. I have to say it was a bit difficult keeping track of the time frames, but happy to see that we've got some really, really good trades. I don't know if I'd have the patience in real life to wait for those types of trades, but yeah, I mean the results. That's the thing, right? I can't get over that. Like the percentage in profit is just enormous over time, and then only so many trades. Like what's this? 17 trades in 38 days, 39 days. That's not even a trade a day. It's a trade every 2 days.
Yeah.
Oh, well, yeah.
I mean, that's what I noticed for myself. So when I trade on Forex specifically, because I'm like a little more disciplined when I trade on Forex. So I just open a chart in the morning, and if I just don't see anything, like any points of interest for me, I might just skip the day, or I might just leave it and check it like 10 hours later. Because yeah, there is nothing for me, and yeah, I can just do my things. I can do the work instead of staring at the chart.
Yeah. Obviously, with crypto, it's a little bit more difficult because it's a 24/7 market. So
Yeah, and you have much more markets.
yeah, that as well. Well, I mean, you can pick your best markets, of course, but yeah. Finish this one. Right.
Yeah, not bad.
No, not bad. Yeah, last.
That was 22.
Yeah, this one. 22, 20, 19.
Yeah, still broke the record.
Still broke the record. Yeah, it was a terrible ending, but a really good start. I think I got a little bit like YOLO, like it's got so much. I got so much money. I just wanted to spend it.
Yeah.
All right. Tomorrow we're gonna do the market overview, right?
Yeah, and it will be the beginning of the new month, so
Oh, interesting.
it'll be interesting to see what happened.
We have a lot more data to analyze now. That's good. So, yeah, we invite you for tomorrow. And if you can't make it tomorrow, then always watch it back on replay. No problem. Hit the like and subscribe so that you get notified for the next session that we do. And on Thursday afternoon, we have our quick scan trading, live trading session, which is always fun to watch. Sometimes crazy, sometimes boring, but always a surprise. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again on the next episode. Thank you, Roman, for guiding me again, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, goodbye.